Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. Please try again later. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. In search you just need to type hot spot shield VPN. Select it. Hotspot shield VPN. Select get option. After getting download done, you just need to open the VPN. Select this next option. Select try basic and select decline offer. Select connect option. Select got it. After connecting to the VPN, you just need to go back to Steam and now you can log in with Steam without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.